Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A54s, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, simply open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this. And once your content is open and visible, hold power key and volume down at the same time. There we go. Now you also have a scrollable option, so if you can scroll down in your content, you can tap on that button to capture a longer version of a screenshot. But home screen has nothing to scroll down to, so it's grayed out for me. Anyway, from here you can view your screenshots in the Photos application. They do get saved directly into a screenshots album, so you can open that up and you can see there are the two screenshots that I have captured. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.